The E7 error code on a Frigidaire refrigerator indicates a malfunction of one or more of the touchpad buttons, and this issue can be caused by several factors, including an engaged lock, accumulation of moisture and dirt, a defective user control board and display, loose or disconnected wiring, or power surges. To fix this issue, start by rebooting the appliance and cleaning the unit. Disconnect the refrigerator from the power source. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Then press and hold any button for 30 seconds while the device is off, and power it on again. Next, wipe off any dust or moisture from the surface, and check the panel settings. Deactivate the child lock setting and disable the Sabbath mode if necessary. Inspect the control board and display unit, and reset the control board if needed. If some buttons are not working while others are, it may be necessary to replace the control board and display unit. Additionally, inspect the wiring and power supply to ensure a firm connection between the control panel and control board, and check for any damaged wires that may need to be replaced. Finally, verify that the device has a stable power supply to resolve the issue.